Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. My name is Fitri and I will help you in this class. So, I welcoming you to Business Process Modeling class. Before we started to tell you about the business process, or before I started to tell you about the business process, here are the objectives of this course that what we hope you will get after completing today's material. The first one is to introduce you about the principle and methods of business process. The second one is to introduce you the principle and methods of business process management. So, we start with this course. Today, we are just going to do introduction and overview all of the topic that will be covered in this course. And today, I will introduce you about the business process modeling concept, and this course is going to tell you about the activities, tasks, and process business that almost organization have. And also very important, I'll try to explain why business process and business process management are important. Let's jump to the another part. What is a business process? Here, business process is a collection of related events, activities, and decisions that involve a number of actors and resources, and that collectively lead to an outcome that is of value of an organization or its customer. So, the business process is basically a unit of work that consists of things that happen, like event, example, process order. And then there are activities, example, like the process checking or anything like making up the things. The third one is decision. For example, that the order need to pay first, and this part cannot handle today, or it could be handled later. Means that something could do or couldn't do or to do something else. And the fourth, a number of actors means that people or organization that participating in the process. And resource means anything like computer resource or things or assets. And it there are lead to the outcome, and this is very important to bring the value like the satisfaction to the customer. So, from this text, the business process are the number of events and activities, also decisions that happen, which including a number of actors and resources that lead to an outcome to fulfill the order to the satisfaction of the customer to get paid for it. Every organization surely have a business process. For example, the supermarket or our university, and they usually split the business process by the unit, function, capabilities, or responsibilities. Example, marketing, or department logistic, or department management. That's according their hierarchy. And as the above example illustrate, business process are what companies do whenever they deliver a service or a product to the customer. Here are the example of process that can be found in most organizations. The first is order to case. Order to cash. Order to cash is a type of a process that performed by vendor which start when a customer submit an order to purchase a product or a service and end with the product or a service in question has been delivered to the customer. The second one, quote to order process. This type of process typically precedes an order to cash process, and it starts from the point when the supplier receives a request for a quote from a customer and end with the customer in questions place a purchase order based on the received quotes. Another example, here's another example of the business process. Procure to pay or issue to resolution. Issue to resolution, the type of process that starts when a customer raises a problem or issue, such as complaining, related to a defect in a product or issue encountered when you're consuming a service. The last one is the application to approval. And these types of a process is common in government agencies. Okay, let me just give you an example. This is the business process that happened because of an issue called issue to resolution. And this is happen usually in the supermarket or when you bought something like electronic things. So it always started by the customer that complaining about something makes an even and call the call center and telling the claim and the call center asking for the details when or what, and then the call center will take note and give it to the technician. Later the technician will pull it up, cover it up, or making it right, and then giving some warranty to the customer. And from this process, the execution of a process leads to one or several outcomes and bring the value to the customer. And in some cases, this value is not achieved or it's only partially achieved. For example, when the part of things is returned, no value is gained, neither by the organization nor by the customer, and this corresponds to a negative outcome as opposed to a positive outcome that delivers value to the actor involved. Here you can see that the customer takes some value from this process business. So this is the last of our topic slide, and that's all for our topic today, and I will meet you on the another part of this video. Thank you and see you.